How to change Gemini language on a Google app. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the Gemini language on a Google app. If you're using a Google app or simply Chrome and you want to switch to a different language, this video is for you, so let's jump right in. You can simply open the Google app or you can simply go to the Chrome website as well. Now what you need to do is simply go to the settings, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. From there, simply go to settings. Now scroll down and simply tap on language option, or if you cannot find the language option, you can go to the assistant settings menu. From there you can find an option that will say language. From here simply tap on add language. Now if you're looking to switch to a new language for the Gemini app, simply tap on the language that's already selected and choose from a list of available languages. If you want to add a second language, just tap on the language that you want to add. Now once you've tapped on the language, just go back and tap back to save the changes, and your Google app will now function in the new language you've chosen. And that's it, you've successfully changed the Gemini language on your Google app.